Imagine a universe where every decision, every chance encounter, every quantum event splits reality into countless parallel worlds. A universe where infinite possibilities exist, each playing out in a separate dimension. This is the concept of the multiverse, a mind-bending idea that has captivated scientists and philosophers for centuries. But how does it relate to the strange world of quantum physics? At the quantum level, particles behave in ways that defy our classical understanding. In the famous double-slit experiment, a single particle can seemingly pass through two slits simultaneously, interfering with itself. This bizarre behavior can be explained by the idea of quantum superposition, where a particle exists in multiple states at once. The many-worlds interpretation, proposed by physicist Hugh Everett III, offers a radical explanation for quantum superposition. It suggests that every time a quantum system has multiple possible outcomes, the universe splits into multiple branches, each corresponding to a different outcome. In one branch, the particle goes through the left slit, in another, it goes through the right. Each branch represents a separate universe, all existing simultaneously. This means that every decision we make, every coin flip, every quantum event, creates a new universe. Want to dive deeper into the mind-bending concept of alternate realities? Check out the movie, Source Code. This thrilling sci-fi film explores a similar theme of time loops and parallel universes. It's a perfect way to continue your journey into the fascinating world of quantum physics and the multiverse. While we may never know for sure if the multiverse exists, the idea challenges us to think beyond our limited perspective and embrace the infinite possibilities of the cosmos.